Hello, this is Emil, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can change the document status from waiting on others to completed. This is helpful in the case of board meeting minutes in which we have board members that sign on the document, and sometimes there is no need for the other board members to sign on it. So let's begin by going to documents right here, and then we have the board meeting minutes, which the status of it is waiting on others. By clicking on the three dots right here, we have the option of mark as completed. So here we have, let's say, two board members that have signed on the document, and we have other two that are still pending. So by clicking on confirm, the document status will be completed in this case, and there is no need for the signature of the other two members to sign on the document.